The Mexican Attorney General's office has confirmed that so far 42 bodies have been found in mass graves. It all started earlier this month with the discovery of 14 bodies in the town of La Barca, located on the border between the states of Jalisco and Michoacan. As crime scene investigators looked for evidence in the area, they continued to find more mass graves and more bodies until the number reached 42. The state of Michoacan has seen an explosion of violence in recent months caused by fighting between cartels and vigilante groups.
We have personnel spread out, and we're working in coordination with the federal authorities so that the problems in Michoacan do not have a negative effect on Jalisco.
Authorities say many of the bodies found so far had bullet wounds and showed signs of possible torture. This is not the first discovery of mass graves in Mexico. Earlier this month, bodies were also found in clandestine graves outside the beach resort of Acapulco. Rafael Romo, CNN, Oaxaca, Mexico.